Okay, unpacking my Voyant, I think it's called. Voyant by Danica. It's not for me, actually. No, it's let's see how it looks like. They're a little bit expensive. It's well packed. No money or anything, but oh, I'm kidding. Let's see what's in here. Oh, nice little bag. Okay, Voyant. What a nice package. They're a little expensive. Ooh. Okay, let's see. It smells good. A little, like a little coaster, I think. And inside we have the little candle. It's a good size. It smells really good. Ooh. And I guess it goes like this. Let's see. Let me put it down here on the table. See. Yeah, it smells really good. I like it. It's a good sized candle. I think this will burn for maybe about 5 days or so. Maybe it doesn't matter. It smells like a heartbeat. Geranium and pink peppercorns vibrate in unison. Charlie, don't start, with cedar wood and musks. I guess this is a little more like masculine, but it does smell. It smells great. Yeah, musks. Yeah, this is a little more on the masculine side, I guess. I'm not gonna light it now, but this is for my nice, soft, oily. This is for my shrine. This little thing here is like $55, and it's about another $12 shipping, I think it is. You can check it out at the website voyantbydanica.com. This is for the shrine, and I haven't shown you guys the shrine yet that I built. I figure, you know, the wealth that he possesses, it possesses, is so great. How can I not buy something like this for it? If I believe in him, her, it, how can I not? How can I not present the best? And I think that's what I want to do from now on. Just have, because I have these little candles, right? You know, I light one up of these about once a day. Every morning before breakfast, I light one of these up, acknowledging and remembering. And that's all he wants: acknowledgement and remembrance. This is all I wanted to share with you guys.